Hello, Sunny. Good morning.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. All right. So before we start with our lesson, is it okay if I just turned off my camera because I don't have any external camera because my sister uses it because she needs to attend an important meeting. Is that fine?
Okay.
All right. So thank you for that consideration, Sally. It's only four. Hi, Sunny. It's only four today. So how's your morning going, Sunny?
It's good.
Wow, what makes it good? What makes it good? Is it about the weather? Is it because you had a delicious meal?
Because
Did something
it's
happen?
because it's the one that is look nice.
Wow, that's nice. How's the weather there? How's the weather there?
It's it's windy and cloudy.
Wow, that's great, Sunny. Okay, so without further ado, Sunny, we are now in Unit 16. So this is part one of our speaking test. So look at the two pictures in here and find the differences.
Picture one, there is a parrot on the bench. In picture two, there are two parrots on the bench. In picture one, the girl is holding the small kite. In picture two, she is holding a big kite. In
Nice.
picture one, the 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 girls are sitting on the bench is eating hot dogs. But in picture two, the girls is eating banana. In picture one, I can see the dog is black. In picture two, the dog is white. In picture one, the boy is throw a ball to the other people. In picture two, the boy is kicking the balls to the boy.
Yes, wow, very good. Okay. So as usual, you will have 5 stars here, Sunny. So great because you
No,
were
it's not
able to
five
find
stars.
those five differences. So yeah, feel free to put whatever you want instead of stars. Okay, now let's talk about the picture, Sunny. So, how many people are there in the picture?
There, there are six people. Seven.
There are 7 people. Great. Okay, now, where are they?
They are at the park.
That's right. Now, look at those two girls sitting on the bench. What are they doing?
Is eating hot dog. The other
That's right.
three is sitting on the bench looking at the children.
Yes, that's right, Sunny. Okay, so you can see that different people do different things here at the park. So that means we can do a lot of things whenever we go to the park. So what are the things that we can do at the park, Sunny?
We can we can eat. We can play. We can fly the kite. We can ride the bike. We can take a dog walk. We can climb mountains. We can play basketballs or many things.
Wow, nice, Sunny. Okay, so what about you? How often do you go to the park?
I often go to the park 3 times a week.
Oh, that's nice. And what days do you usually go?
Um, our list goes on Fridays. No, on Monday. On Monday to to what?
Monday to Friday?
To to Thursday. Thursday.
Monday to
I'm going to
Thursday.
Monday
Wow.
to Thursday.
All right. Nice, honey. Okay. Now, can you describe your park?
Your my park.
Yes, the park that
Okay.
you usually go to.
The park is near my house, but I love to go by bus. I love to ride bikes when I go to the parks. It's a park where many children are starting to flock cats. Some children are eating hamburgers on the bench the near the near the parks. And I I I, I borrow a kite and I will fly into the skies. It's where I will buy it. And I buy it every days at the schools.
Wow, very good, Sunny. So thank you so much for telling me about the park that you usually go to. So additional 4 stars for you. Okay, now let's move on about part two. Let's talk about the food and drink. Okay, now Sunny, I already know about your favorite food and drink. So how often do you eat strawberries?
I eat strawberry 3 times a week.
Great. And why do you buy where do you buy them?
I buy it in the supermarket.
Very good. Okay, do you buy it alone or do you come with your parents?
I go alone.
Wow, you're very independent, Sunny. How much does it cost for 1 kilogram of strawberry?
1 kilogram. 1 kilogram.
Yeah, like 1 kilogram. I don't know what unit do you use in Vietnam, but here we use like or let's say this one. Okay, so you are at the supermarket, then you can see strawberries in a box. Then you can see the price tag. It says 5,000 Vietnamese dong per kilo. Can you see like this whenever you go to the supermarket? Oh, let me just translate my question instead. Here it is, Sally. Sunny. Because whenever that I go to the supermarket, I'm not sure what unit does Vietnam use. It's either pound or in kilogram. But for here in my country, we use kilogram. So here is my question. So how much does the strawberry cost per kilogram?
Home 50,000 đồng.
Vậy giá dâu tây 1 kg là bao nhiêu?
Is 50,000 đồng.
How much?
50,000 đồng.
50,000. Is that cheap or a little expensive?
No, it's 50.
Yeah, indeed. It's very
50.
cheap. Yeah, you know what?
Very
Here in my area, like it's very rare to see strawberries. That is why once you can see strawberries in the mall, in the market, then you should expect that it's gonna be expensive. Yeah, because the strawberries are seasonal fruits. Yeah, you cannot see it every month. It only comes, let's say, during their harvest. And I don't know what specific season can we harvest the strawberry. Okay. So thank you for sharing that one, Sunny. So Sunny, you like strawberry. Do you think that it's healthy?
yes. Yes.
Do you think strawberry is healthy?
Yes.
Of course it is healthy, but we should eat moderately because if we eat too much, then it's not good too. Yeah, because it also has sweet. Okay, so Sunny, have you ever helped cook at home? And what did you make if ever that you answer yes?
No. Cannot do that. Cannot do that.
Oh, hello, Sunny, I
Cannot.
cannot hear you.
Um. um
Hello, Sunny, can you hear me?
yes.
I, yes, I can hear you, but it's not clear. It's choppy. You try to unplug and plug again your audio. For example, if you're using a speaker like that, then you try to unplug and plug it again.
Favorite?
Can you try to speak?
No. Uh.
Can you hear me
Yes.
well now? Yes, there you are. Thank you for doing that one, Sunny. Okay, so Sunny, what do you prefer? Fruits or vegetable? Fruits, of course. Okay, now what are the fruits that you don't like? Oh, hold on, Sunny. Sorry to cut you off, but I cannot hear you again.
Okay.
Okay, so you try to exit
Check
and enter. So I'll wait for you.
my question. No.
Yes,
Uh.
Sunny? You try to speak again. Don't exit yet. Can you hear?
Yes.
Yes, it sounds better now. So what did you do?
I have to what?
Or maybe I know now, I know the reason why sometimes your voice goes off. Is there a fan near you?
No.
Oh, okay. So probably the signal. But anyway, let's just continue with this part two, Sunny. Okay, so what are the fruits that you don't like?
I don't like
Durian? Pineapple. Okay, why is that?
because it's very simple.
All right.
Thinking.
Now, what about the vegetable that you don't like?
I don't like the cabbage.
Okay, but do you know that vegetables are healthy too?
Yes.
Yes, and they're very good for our health. Okay, so if you could eat one food every day from Mondays to Sundays, Sunny, what would it be? Strawberry?
Yes.
Yes. So that's gonna be like one strawberry per day or half strawberry per day. Okay. So you said, Sunny, that I remember before that you shared to me that your parents are great cook, right?
Yeah.
Do you also want to learn some cooking skills from your parents?
But
Yes or no?
no,
Why not?
because I don't want to cook.
Oh, so you just want to eat.
I just want to eat. I don't want to cook.
Yeah, same, Sunny. I can relate to that one because I don't like to be in the kitchen too. Okay, but do you mind washing the dishes after you eat?
Yes.
Oh, so that means you don't like washing dishes, right?
What?
Oh, let me rephrase my question. Is it okay for you to wash dishes after you eat?
A little bit.
A little bit. All right. So let me go back to our question, Sunny. Here, do not be confused if somebody would ask you this. Do you mind? Okay, for example, I ask you, do you mind washing the dishes after you eat? Then you said yes. So that means you don't like to wash the dishes after you eat. So to answer this question, if you're okay doing it, then you can say, no, I don't mind, like that. All right. Then that way, you are saying that I'm willing to wash the dishes. All right, Sunny?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's see if you understand when to answer do you mind. Do you mind eating pineapples every day?
Um.
Yes or
No.
yes or no?
No.
It could be yes. Do you mind eating pineapples every day? Since you don't like pineapple, then you can say, yes, I do mind. That means you don't like eating pineapples every
Yes.
day.
I don't mind.
Yes. Okay, another one, Sunny. Do you mind helping your mom doing the laundry?
Yes. Yes.
Does that mean you don't like to do the laundry?
Yes.
All right, that's the correct answer to the question. Okay, Sunny. So for answering my questions, I'm gonna give you additional 5 stars. Great job. Now let's move on with part three. So there are 4 pictures in here, and I want you to create a story out of the pictures. You can do it, Sunny.
Uh, once upon a time, there are families. The the man who is carrying a basket, his name is Alex, and the girls are waving at her dad is Lily's, and the boys who are playing the toy truck name is Lily's. He is playing the toy truck with his own toy. Later, when she and her brothers place the toy trucks, and then the door opens, and the his dad put the puppies on in the basket, and he said to the girls, keep my dodo safe. The dogs who is sleeping on the blanket is Dodo. He loves to sleeping all day long. Next, when the boy they are when his rush outside and they sees Dodo is not there on the blanket anymore. They look every time and every side and place, but they cannot find Dodo where he is. Now he's very tired and want to sit down and next to the toy trucks, and now he finally came last chance. I Dodo on his toy trucks. He is sleeping on the toy truck. They are very happy. The end.
I'm so proud of you for telling the story, Sunny. All right, so what is this puppy's name again?
It's Dodo. It's
That's a
Dodo.
very cute name. Is that in Vietnamese?
No, it's English.
Oh,
Dodo.
Dodo. All right, that's new to me, Sunny. Okay, so well done. I cannot say anything in here. So you've got 10 stars. Great job, Sunny. Okay, now here, Sunny, I'm gonna ask you a question about this story. So look at the first picture. Who came into the house?
It's Dad.
Okay, what is Dad holding in the picture?
It's a basket for the puppies.
That's right, very good. What would you feel if your dad enters the room and holds a puppy?
It's green, not good.
Say that again.
It's not good.
Would you be happy? Would you be excited? Sad? Scared?
Sad. Sad.
Sad? Why sad?
Oh. No.
Because you don't like puppy?
Yes.
Ah, all right. So if ever that your parents travel to a very far place and they just came back after a month and you want something from them, what would it be, Sunny?
It wouldn't be a toy, not puppy.
It's gonna be what?
Toy.
What
Toy.
toy? What toy would that be?
It will be a doll.
A doll. Wow, you're really a kid, Sunny. All right, so thank you for answering my question. Now, let's move on with the very last part of this speaking test. So look at the second
Test.
column here. Tell me what you can see, then which picture doesn't belong to the group. You can do it, Sunny.
I see. I'm going to the beach. I can see the street is great. I can see the boy is wearing cap because it's rainy. I can see the girl is wearing umbrellas because it's rainy. Picture one doesn't belong to the group because picture one, picture two, no. Picture one doesn't belong to the group because picture two, picture three, picture four, they are rainy. They are not sunny weather.
Very good.
I can see the girl is drinking milk. I can see the boy is drinking a bottle of milk. I can see the woman is drinking coffees. His dad is cooking meals. Picture 4 doesn't belong to the group because picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, they are drinking. They are not cooking. I can see. I can see. What is this one? What is
Oh,
this?
it's not so clear, right? I think it's
Yeah.
a mouse. A
Yes.
mouse or
I can
something?
see a mouse. I can see a mouse. I can see a whale. I can see a bird. I can see a frog. Picture 2 doesn't belong to the group because picture 1, picture 3, picture 4, they are very small. They are not big anymore.
All right. So yes, perfect score for you here, Sunny. So additional 5 hearts. So wow, you know what? You're getting better and better every time that we have a class. That actually makes me happy. That means there's some improvement with you. Okay, so great job on that, Sunny. Okay, now Sunny, we are done, but we only have few time to continue with the next unit. But I'm just gonna ask you a question instead. Are you okay with that? So that you can practice more with your speaking skill.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Sunny, what first question, what do you like to watch on TV?
I love watching cartoons.
Okay. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes.
What are your hobbies?
Is uh um is what cartoon? Um is
You like
cartoon Paw
dancing?
Patrol. Paw Patrol.
Oh, you like watching Paw Patrol, right? Who's your favorite
Yes.
character in Paw Patrol?
I love
Do you like
um,
Sky?
Sky. I love Sky because I love to fly.
Yes. So, where do you watch Paw Patrol? In YouTube or in your television?
In the television. No, I watch in the cinema.
Cinema, nice. Okay, but do you know that there are so many episodes of Paw Patrol in YouTube?
Yes, I know
Yeah.
all things of Paw Patrol. They have
Wow.
they have the women's have the chicken.
Yes. Then what did they do? How did they rescue the chicken?
They rescue and they make the videos very is very happy.
Nice, Sunny. Okay, so do you also know Marshall from Paw Patrol?
Yes.
Yes. So what does Marshall do?
Marble, marble.
Marshall is the puppy who is like a firefighter. Can you
I know,
remember?
I know. I watched often, so I cannot remember.
It's all right. So what does Marshall do? If he is a firefighter, then what does he do?
And he is rescued the people and he saved the people from the fire.
That is right, Sunny. Okay, so if you could be one of the Paw Patrol puppies, who would you be?
I will be Sky
Why?
because I love to fly. I love to
Yes, and
rescue.
Sky, that's right. And Sky is really smart too. Okay, so what do you like most about Paw Patrol, Sunny?
I love when the chickens are missing.
Nice. Okay, so you know what? Like Pop, I know Paw Patrol because I have nephews and they also love Paw Patrol. And whenever I watch, when I watch one episode of Paw Patrol, I can see that they do missions. So, what kind of missions do the Paw Patrol's pups go on? Just like what you said earlier, like they help chicken, the lost chicken. So, what else? What else do they help?
From the farmers to start in the room.
Yes, that's right, Sunny. So they help people and animals. They also help try to fix the problems and to stop the danger along the way. So in real life, if you see someone who needed help, as long as that person is good, then send some help or help her like that. Okay. So for example, in your classroom, you are about to take an exam and you have a classmate who doesn't have a pencil. So what would you do in that situation, Sunny?
Wow.
Yes, you will let her borrow your spare pencil. Very good. So that is the moral that we can get from Paw Patrol, Sunny. So thank you so much for sharing about Paw Patrol and for answering my question, Sunny. Now let's count how many stars have you got for today. We have five.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
That is right. So
35.
you've got 35 stars that turned into crosses. Is that what you like? Oh, tick. Okay, so thank you once again, Sunny. Have a great weekend and see you next week. Goodbye.